Look, we can get a discount if we paying our purchase with a credit card.
Good riddance. Looks like my credit card is already passing the usage limit.
Don't worry guys, I will pay our purchase with mine and can pay back to me later.
Thanks, Eka. Thank you.
By the way, what is your favorite fruit? Nopa? Nopi?
Actually, I am very like it banana. Prefer avocado then banana. About you, Eka?
I'm like apple. It's good for digestion.
How about we take a look at the fluids sale friends? Sound good.
Look, like most of the fruit in here is fresh from the garden.
Yeah, this orange looks very fresh. Can we taste it a bit?
Of course not. There is a second board that telling to not sip a fruit before it has been paid.
Look how this look like a large Japanese watermelon as I see on the TV. What so special from this watermelon, Opi?
I don't know why so special from this watermelon, but the price is very expensive for a watermelon.
You can now guess this watermelon has no seed at all. Oh no, wonder Nopi.
Okay, but I think watermelon have the same taste.
Okay, I am just went to one bananas and one local watermelon. I will buy this golden kiwi is instead.
Let's go to the cashier.